In January 2020, a store employee became suspicious that a customer was shoplifting. They made their concern known to Officer Kevin Munger, who was working off-duty as store security. Munger followed Tawanda Crowell to her car and asked to see a receipt. Crowell refused and was deeply offended by the accusation. When she refused to leave her vehicle, while Munger watched the security footage, he became impatient and threatened to tase her.
It is not your right.
Oh, yes, it is.
It is not your right.
Yes, it is.
Do you want to sit in my car?
No, I don't want to sit in your car, and I'm not sitting in your car. No, I call your sergeant. No, it ain't.
That's what it's
you
going to come
ain't seen
to.
me steal nothing.
Then show me your receipt.
I will not.
Show me your receipt.
I won't.
Crowell has a receipt confirming that she paid for the item. However, she later stated that she was afraid Munger would destroy it if she turned it over.
I don't steal.
Okay, then show me your receipt.
I won't do that.
Then show me your receipt.
I won't do that.
Why?
I won't do that because...
Do you realize you can go to jail for that?
Oh, I realize if I stole it, but I don't steal.
You're not cooperating.
I'm not cooperating because you ain't got no probable cause because they said something. Go watch the camera first.
Ma'am.
I'll walk back in there with you and go watch the camera. No, I'm upset because I see this every day.
I don't have access to the camera.
So how they gonna say I stole it? They didn't see me steal.
Ma'am, what is your name? What's your name? Come down. What's your name?
No,
Calm
I
down.
see this every day.
Listen to me.
Every day.
Do you think I want any trouble right now?
But do you know how many people done walked in that store while you out here bothering me in there stealing?
Ma'am, they simply asked if you had a receipt. They didn't see you go through a register.
Well, why don't they go through all the registers and ask the people if they seen me?
Ma'am.
Let's walk back in there.
Where's your receipt?
Come on, let's walk back in there.
Bring your receipt.
Let's walk back in there.
Do you have your receipt?
Let's walk back in there.
Just show me your receipt.
No, because I'm not going to do that.
I'm not letting you go back in the store.
Okay, then. Well,
is that your receipt from today?
It is, but I'm not showing because I ain't got no y'all can't make me show nothing.
I can.
No, you can't.
Actually, I can, and you're not giving me your ID. So I can't prove that you didn't take anything.
No,
so I don't know.
Anyways.
Why are we arguing about this?
Because y'all profile black people every day like that.
Everybody that shops in here is black. Everybody that shops in here is black.
No, everybody ain't.
Well, most of them are.
They is.
We can profile anybody.
I see y'all up here every day bothering people.
I don't bother anybody.
Whoever.
Can you just show me your receipt?
No, I'm not gonna do that. Because that makes absolutely no sense at all. I'm not going to.
Can I see your receipt?
No, because if they sent you out here, that means they saw me steal.
They didn't see you go through a register and pay.
So why not do their protocol is
step out of the car.
To go look on the camera.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car and come with me.
I'm not stepping out no car.
Then you're going to go to jail.
But then you're going to have to take me to jail.
Okay, step out of the car.
I'm not stepping out no car.
Okay. You got all these kids in here you left in here by yourself. Do you want me to push this further? Well, you went in the store?
They're not little kids.
Oh, they are little kids, and you left them all in the store. And what are you going to do when you go to jail and they're all here? So I call DCF to come get them all?
My mama stay right around the corner.
Okay, so I don't have to call your mom to come get them. I can call DCF.
They my sister kids. They'll call her to come get her children.
Why don't you show me your receipt?
Because Publix and everybody in there.
Okay, step out of the car.
I'm not stepping out of the car.
You have to step out of the car.
No, you have to call your sergeant or your lieutenant.
Come on.
No.
You're going to go to jail.
No, I'm not.
You're going to go to jail.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Then give me your receipt.
I'm not giving you my receipt.
Come on.
No, I'm
You're
not.
Going to jail.
No, I'm not.
You're going to jail.
No, I'm not.
You're going to jail.
No, I'm not.
You are going to jail.
No, I'm not.
I'll tell you what I'll do.
No, I'm not.
You're going to jail.
No, I'm not. Call your mama.
Come on.
No, I'm not.
You're going to go to jail. I'm going to taser you. I'm going to taser you right here, right now.
Tase me.
I'm going to tase you right now.
Tase me.
Get out of the car.
Tase me.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest for what?
Get out of the car.
I'm under arrest for what?
Turn around.
Call your mama.
Turn around right now.
What am I under arrest for?
Turn around right now for not cooperating.
Cooperating?
Turn around.
I didn't steal.
Tasing you right now. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground right now. Get down on the ground. Put your hand behind your back right now. Right now. Give me your other hand. Right now. Lay on your face. Oh, wow, that's really nice. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand right now.
I didn't steal nothing. It is. It's fine. My dad work on the police department.
Oh, that's really nice.
I got
Go away, ma'am. Go away.
Keep recording.
Idiot. Oh, yeah.
Recording, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
Keep recording. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna call the sheriff's office.
Call him.
My number is.
Stand up. Now you're going to jail.
Yes, because you're right.
Yeah.
Hey,
They
guys,
say I was stealing.
just stay there, okay?
I got my
I'll be with you in a
receipt right there
second.
in my purse. You think I'm gonna go and steal some chips?
Black, that's why.
Oh, cause I'm black. Oh, most definitely. Can you
Go.
call my family?
Walk to the car.
Stop doing that to me
Walk
like
to the
that.
car. Cooperate.
I am cooperating.
Walk to the car.
Can you call my family for me?
Walk to the car.
It is. Thank you, ma'am. Please put it on Facebook.
Hey, can you get Anna for me?
Y'all so stupid. I'm kidding. I'm NAACP. I guess I'll
That's
be
what you
rich.
wanted. That's all you wanted.
I guess so.
So,
I guess you gave me
you
what I
got
wanted.
Yeah. What's up? Yeah. Oh, yeah, hold on a second.
I didn't steal. And you talking about you book. What the you holding me for?
I just realized.
Oh, it don't need two of y'all. Are you serious? That's what's wrong with y'all now. You tightening my hand and I'm not even moving.
Gotta get my jacket out of the
You
car.
doing the most.
Here, yeah, you can set her in here. Just have a seat. Appreciate it, brother.
I know you said
No, I just, hang on a second. Battery in my portable is dead. I'm good now. Had to taser her. Can you go back over there for me and check on that car where she was in?
which car was it?
It's the, it was a white SUV over there. There's a bunch of kids in it.
Okay.
Thanks. I'm recording right now. She, Anna told me that she walked by. I saw her walk by with a bag. I didn't see her at a register. So I go over there to her car just to check and say, hey, you got a receipt? I need to see your receipt. She refused to show me a receipt, refused to show me her ID. So I'm like, listen, I mean, you know, if you took something here, you didn't pay for it, they'll probably trespass you, but I need to see your receipt. She wouldn't show it to me. And so it just got ugly over there, so I had to taser her and stuff. She's going to go to jail. I don't know if she paid for her stuff or not, but... Hi.
Is there any way we can get a phone number from her? Answer for a phone number or something to get, so they get her kids?
Yeah, I mean, I can work on that.
She'll give me a phone number so somebody can get the kids and get a car.
Yeah, I could work on that in a second. Are you going to be over there?
Yeah, I was going to go right here with
Okay.
the kids. They upset. Right?
Yeah, for sure.
I was going to call for somebody to just get them.
Okay. I'll come over there in just a second.
Okay.
But she's got to go to jail, so unfortunately I got myself in a big mess here for no reason. All she had to do was show me a receipt. She wouldn't do it. She wouldn't give me her ID, so here I am. It's a mess.
Who's that other guy?
He works for us. He's off duty. He's got his badge with him, so I just had him check on those kids. I'm sorry, Mike. I got to...
Man, what do you need? You need bottled water or something?
I got some in here. I need Anna's date of birth and stuff.
Okay.
Her information.
Okay, I'll get on it.
Thanks. H7936.
7936.
Can you send me a supervisor and another unit to Publix at 7628 103rd Street, reference to a 1015 that I had a taser? And also send me rescue.
You didn't have to tase me. You want to tase me. You want to kick me in my head. You
7936.
do everything that you did, but it's okay because I'm thanking God in advance for what
0336, 234, Williams, 10 show you 1051, 7946, 7628, 103rd Street.
Yeah, you should have cooperated. You should have cooperated.
I don't have to.
You do have to cooperate. What's your first name?
I do not have to give my ID. I don't
Yes,
have
you
to
do.
give my receipt. No, I don't.
Okay. Well, that's why you're in the position you're in.
It is, and I'm going to be out.
And that's why you're in the position that you're in.
Tawanda Crowell was arrested on account of resisting an officer without evidence. Although she had the receipt as proof that she had paid for the bag of chips, Crowell was held in jail for 24 hours. The charge against her was later dropped. The case was investigated, and when it was decided that Munger acted correctly, there was a public outcry. Munger's discipline history was obtained, and it showed 25 citizen complaints filed against him since 2004, including allegations of bias-based profiling and use of excessive force. In 2021, Tawanda Crowell sued Publix for $50,000 in damages.